Hey friends, it's Ann from What's Up Family Home, and today I have another collab for you. And this one is a collaboration with Brady Browning, and she's doing Thanksgiving Thursdays. So every Thursday, if you want to post a video of a breakfast, lunch, or dinner recipe that you have, just let her know on her video and she will link it for you. And I'll have her channel linked below as well as a playlist. And she has a great channel. She does all kinds of recipes, cooking videos, she does meal prep, she does grocery hauls, shop with me's, just a lot of everything, and I really enjoy watching her channel. So today I'm going to make kind of a quick and easy turkey meal, so you will be able to make it any time of the week. Really quick and easy, and especially for like college students, or maybe a couple, or maybe just somebody that doesn't want to be in the kitchen for 9 hours cooking a meal. So this is perfect for you or for anybody. If you're coming from Brady's channel, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Ann. I quit my job of 19 years to stay home and watch my grandkids during the day, and I love it. And I make mostly cooking videos, some grocery hauls, and some cleaning and organizing and things like that. So I would love it if you would join my YouTube family and like and subscribe. And I've also hit 1K, so I am doing a giveaway. I'm giving away a $50 Target gift card. So if you will go to my Friendsgiving video and watch that video, it will give you all the details. So I hope you'll like this video, and I know you're going to love this recipe. So let's get started. Okay, it only uses 3 ingredients, some stuffing mix, some gravy, and some turkey breast. And just make the stuffing mix per the package directions. And I think I got the thinnest, smallest turkey breast in the store because it was tiny and it was thin. This was totally the wrong thing to get, but I have to work with what I have. So I'm just going to make put the stuffing mix in the middle and just roll it up. It's just as easy as that, even though it's kind of hard to do it on these little tiny pieces of turkey, but it still works. So I think I put a little bit too much in the middle, and next time that I made the next one, I just put it on the end and rolled it up, and it went so much better. So just put it seam side down, or if you want, you could put a toothpick in there and just lay it on your pan. I've got this one done, so I'm going to go ahead and do the rest. And I think what I'm going to do is put the stuffing on top as well, because I've got plenty of stuffing left. And I'm just using my hands so I can get it evenly distributed. This is my favorite part of Thanksgiving, is the stuffing. So I'm excited about this recipe because I love some stuffing. And I don't know why I don't make this more than once a year. All right, I've heated my gravy, and now I'm just going to pour it over the top. This bowl is hot. I'm just going to try and coat all the turkey. Y'all, I totally picked the wrong kind of turkey to use. This stuff is really thin and kind of hard to work with, but it's still going to be good. I wish I had the thicker pieces, but look at that. It'll look even better when it comes out of the oven. So I will put it in the oven for about 30 minutes, and then I'll bring it out and show you what it looks like. Doesn't that look good? I wish you guys could smell it. I'm glad I used all that dressing on there because it turned out really good. I think I needed a little bit more gravy, but that smells amazing. So I'm going to taste test and let you know how it is. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. Get some turkey on there. That's too big of a bite. This is amazing. If I had to do this over again, I would definitely get some thicker turkey. It was a little bit hard to work with, but this is delicious. This will be the quickest turkey dinner you ever had on Thanksgiving. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was amazing, and I can't wait to make that with my leftover turkey. That turkey was just a little too thin, but it was still delicious, and I would make that anytime. You don't have to wait for Thanksgiving to have that meal. So I want to thank Brady again for hosting this collab, and I will have her channel linked below as well as the playlist. And be sure to go to my Friendsgiving video and enter for the giveaway. So I'll see you guys in the next video.